Hey there, in this tutorial, we'll explore how to utilize basic 3D functionality in CapCut to rotate objects. Let's say you have a clip and you want to rotate it in 3D space. First, go to the Effects tab and search the Player 3 effect. Drag and drop it onto your media. Initially, you might see a turntable effect applied to your clip. To remove this, adjust texture to 0 and delete it. To avoid horizontal displacement, keep the horizontal shift at 67. The key control here is the rotate slider, which enables you to rotate the object. Adjust it to rotate your clip in 3D space. You can experiment with different angles to achieve the desired effect. To enhance the 3D look, consider zooming in slightly on the object to fill the frame. Adjust flow as needed. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.